Well, hello everyone, and welcome back to Vegan with Soul. Today I am going to prepare for you a vegan sweet potato coconut mousse. It's very decadent, very sweet. Let's jump into it. So, I have already baked my sweet potatoes and I wanted them to be super smooth. So, I'm pushing them through this small strainer. Yes, it took some time, but I didn't mind because I wanted smooth for my mousse. Now, for my sweet potatoes, I season them as if I was making a sweet potato pie. So, however you do that with this. Just make sure it's not too wet. I used the coconut heavy cream. And what I did to make sure that my whipped cream will come out perfect, like you want it thick and you want those peaks on it, I put it in the freezer for 4 hours and it did everything I wanted it to do. My whipped cream was thick. My sweet potatoes was folded in there just right. So be careful with it, guys. Don't stir it in, fold it in. Guys, this Thanksgiving, I wanted to do something different. I could make the typical sweet potato pie, pumpkin pie, but I wanted to bring something different to the table. And I wanted to make sure that it was vegan. And I wanted to have something sweet to eat myself. So I'm thinking this dessert will be an amazing addition to our Thanksgiving dinner. Okay, guys, we're getting to the end of this recipe. You can choose your dessert dishes of choice, spoon it in, decorate it with whipped cream and cinnamon, but I just put cinnamon on top of mine. And this is the end of this dessert dish. Guys, I just want to say thank you so much for your support. Thank you for taking time out of your time to watch my videos. I really do appreciate you guys. And thank you to all the new subscribers for joining the VWS family. We're so excited to have you here. But guys, I just want to say Thanksgiving is a few days away. This is a time where we can take time to spend time with our family, with our spouse, with our children, because y'all guys know during the week we're busy. And by the time we get home, we eat dinner, we put the babies to bed, put ourselves in the bed, and we wake up to do it all over again. So guys, I just want to say, take this week to just enjoy one another. And guys, make it a great Thanksgiving. Make it rememberable. Thank you so much for watching Vegan with Soul, and I'll catch you next time in my kitchen. Bye, guys.